We are going to talk from our experience so that a futu ama yenuano a opemoano. And it just sound our dear. I quite is Nkolani into be a playing a role, yeah. But that's not what the woman wants.
Nkolani be mono, na communication let's say.
If there is a change, you should know when.
Yes.
Because in the beginning it was not like that.
Yes. Every stage of our life, we meet different people, we see things differently.
So, oye, and na unini nkoma o me. So, baby, na sa de ni 5 years, and I say, yache.
The feeling say every relationship be a communication, and the most important thing. So, communication ni what there. Nana, let me remove a bre.
Or baby one more slowly kunu. Want to mean kani kunu asem.
When dia, only carbon tinche fino. Na external factor wa wini.
No correct.
Na nya oba na ye na fo. And internal no, ebi ana wa ho hwe asesa. Ana se bi ana wa no etia.
Challenge my intuition so. And we know when things are wrong.
Me, I am the lady dear. I spoke to my man. Said, my young would dang.